Let's talk about getting the most out of your mobile internet browser. First, to keep your mobile browsing experience really fast, you want to stay in touch with your task manager people. So keep that on your main screen here. And what you want to do is check in periodically to see what's running, what programs are still running. Invariably, you've got something running. Here I've got a couple games as well as my browser. You want to exit those on a regular basis. You want to keep your phone running free of programs running in the background, and it's going to run fastest that way. I've done other videos on this. I'll post a link here to those. Also, if your phone is really lagging, you may want to clear your RAM. That is the random access memory that your processor is using. Again, has nothing to do with your SD card. Clear that periodically. Okay. Moving on to my favorite browser, Dolphin Mobile Browser. You can get this for Android and iPhone. Here you can see I've got 3 tabs open here, people. Now, you can enjoy tabbed browsing on your mobile device just as you would on your PC. In the upper right here, you can click the plus icon, and that is going to add a tab. Clicking the Dolphin icon, this is a kind of a settings window here in the Dolphin browser. In the upper right here, we can exit the browser, and towards the left here, you see a gear icon. Now that brings us to our settings here, and what you want to do is configure your privacy settings here as far as when you exit the browser. Now I like to set this to clear everything when I exit. I do not remember passwords, do not use a master passwords, do not remember form data, and I clear history, cache, and cookies. I suggest you do the same. You can also have a confirmation when exiting. I choose not to have that. If you use Sonar, you can browse by giving your Sonar commands, or if you've moved over to gesture, you can give gesture commands, which is really cool. Like you can type a small letter E to exit the browser, and then you're given a prompt there as well to clear the history, cache, cookies. So that again is Dolphin Browser, clearing your cache, people, keeping your browser running nice and fast and efficiently. Moving over to Firefox mobile browser. A lot of people like Firefox mobile browser. In the upper left here, we see the tab icon. Now, you can get to the tabs in Firefox browser by clicking this little tab icon in the upper right. You can see we have 2 tabs open here. Well, actually, I have 3 in this window, but you can close those by clicking on the small X icons in the lower right. And again, you can add tabs by clicking the plus icon in the upper right, just like in Dolphin. You can also do your private browsing from this window. So again, tabbed browsing is a lot of fun. Now, to clear your cache in Firefox Mobile, what you want to do is go down to the lower right and click the More icon here. You can also create a new tab down here you see on the lower left. But clicking that More icon brings you to Settings, and then you want to click on Privacy. And from here, you need to go through and scroll and manually select all the different options. The interface is not as user-friendly as Dolphin Browser, but still just go through and select this stuff and then clear data. Okay, that's how you do that in Firefox. Now, moving back to Dolphin Browser, a really cool feature about mobile browsing is that you can copy-paste just like on your PC. From Dolphin, what you do is you put your finger on the page and hold it. You're going to be given a prompt for select text, find on the page, or basically Control F on the PC. Also finds text on a page. So by holding our finger on and dragging, we can select here. I've selected a paragraph with the 2 icons for the beginning and end of the selection. And here we can choose to copy, search, or share through messaging, and then you can paste it wherever you want, into a memo. You can paste it into a message. Now over to Firefox, same thing, very, very similar configuration with copy paste, except to copy, what we do is go up to the menu bar here in Firefox, and click, you see the two page icon here, that is going to select the selected text down here. If you select the four square icon, you're going to select the entire page. Okay, you're going to copy the entire page, and then you can choose to paste that. Now, as far as images, a lot of you may know this, but you just hold your finger on the image, and in both browsers you're going to be given a prompt. Here's Dolphin to share the image, save as wallpaper, and that's pretty cool because you can put some really neat images on your phone. If you click on a PDF, now PDFs are great. Here we're in Firefox, you can save a PDF to your SD card, and for images, people, or PDFs, you're going to have to navigate through your SD card as far as what files go where. So for PDFs, what you want to do is install the Adobe Reader app. You can get it for iPhone and Android. Adobe Reader app is a really cool app. It's free. Thanks for watching. Give a thumb up, post a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It would be great to have you on board. See you next time.